This is Bowers & Wilkins PX wireless noise cancelling headphone. It's their first headphone to feature both Bluetooth and noise cancellation. It's an over-ear headphone that's touted as providing a totally immersive listening experience. It comes in two colors, space gray and soft gold, and we opted for the space gray. Wow, okay, so true to form here, B&W is not disappointing in the aesthetics department. These are beautiful headphones. Let's first check out the accessories located below the headphones, and then we'll come back to the headphones themselves. Here we have a padded slimline carry case with a magnetic latch. Inside, we have an instruction booklet. And next we have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. USB Type C is the newest USB standard, so that's nice to see. And finally we have a 3.5mm stereo cable. And it's got Velcro ties, which is nice. Okay, so let's put these back, and now we can focus on the fun part, the headphones themselves. Okay, so back to the headphones. As I said before, these look amazing. This is a space gray option. Feels like lots of metal and what they call ballistic plastic. On the side here you see that feels like aluminum there. Leather ear pads, as they're called. It's pretty neat how the cable runs through the metal sort of semicircular part. Very stylish, and the cable is well protected. The buttons are on the right ear side towards the back. Up volume, selector, down volume, noise cancelling button. And this looks like the power button. Let's see if it comes with any juice. Yep, that's great. Below that, the 3.5mm plug and the USB Type-C connection. I think the little dot there, I think that's probably for noise cancellation microphones, or it could be for the telephony microphone function. Really solidly built, good looking headphones. They're not the lightest, I would say, but they're certainly not heavy either. They say this comes off. These come off. Yep, they're magnetically attached. You notice the speaker is directed sort of on an angle. I guess that makes it the imaging in your ear better than not. There's also a reset button hole there, so you have a way to hard reset the headphones if something goes wrong. The blue light there is, I think if you hold the power button down, then it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode and that blue light flashes. Anyway, we'll put all this back, and boy, I'm really happy with these headphones so far. We will do a follow-up video in the next couple of weeks and let you know how these headphones are functionally. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.